We flip right side up, smack the new top end with our hand. Next, let's take a look at our grip. You want the lip of the big shaker in between the middle of your live long and prosper hand sign. Meanwhile, place your thumb on the back side where the two shakers meet. You're now ready to shake. All of our shaking techniques will take place above the heart. If it's not above the heart, your heart's not in it. The first shake we're going to show is the soft shake, which is meant for light liquids that would usually be stirred. You know that your intensity is soft when you can hear and feel the ice barely touching each side. Shake for 5 to 10 seconds. The next shake is our medium shake, so just a bit more intensity than the soft shake. You should feel the ice breaking down just a bit faster. This shake is perfect for most cocktails, seeing as you dilute your cocktail at a controllable rate without sacrificing texture. Third, we have our hard shake. Maintain a strong grip and put your body into it so that your arms don't tire out. This shake is meant to dilute cocktails extremely quickly with less control, which means your texture may be more difficult to maintain. You should hard shake for around 5 seconds. Lastly, we have our dry shake. The dry shake is accomplished with medium intensity. This shake is deployed mainly for shaking citrus and sugar with egg whites. I don't shake booze in my dry shakes due to unnecessary bruising. Shake for 5 to 10 seconds, but watch out for your seal. Since there's no ice in your shaker, a seal is difficult, if not impossible, to achieve. To remedy this, you can add just a small piece of ice. Shake until you can no longer hear the ice moving around, and you're done. Since we're done shaking, let's take a closer look at how to open our shakers and release the seal. If you look at your combined shakers, you'll see a familiar shape. This is a very slim crescent moon. The middle is wider than the two ends. Turning the shaker to one side, place the bottom of your palm against one end of the crescent. Place your ring and middle fingers together, push and pull simultaneously to release the seal.
Baby, you're a mystery. Do you wanna grab a drink with me? I'll even let you sit for free. Maybe leave a like for me. Maybe leave a like for me.